It's another beautiful sunny day mga kabuyog. Og nindot na pod kaayo isuri-suroy og magpahangin outdoors. Welcome to Big B Channel. Ug ako di ay ang inyong Big B. Kugihan nga maglupad-lupad bisan asang dapita aron lang magka-content. Dili pod oy. As a Big B, kinahanglan po nato mag-unwind. So let's savor every moment because life is too short. So karon ang inyong Big B nakatugpad dinhi sa Humayan ay daghang lubi, fresh air, and a very nice picturesque landscape. So mga kabuyog, abundant kayo ning lugar sa mga lubi. I am surrounded with 360 degrees coconut view. This place is best for picnics, solo or with family and friends. Ibukad na ang carpet. Mag-assume lang taani nga natin partner, just like the romantic movies, holding hand in hand, laying down on the green meadows. Sure, I don't have any second thoughts. Magkiring lugar ang makahatag niyong boredom, whether you're introvert or extrovert. As long ako yung si Big B, na may ka-cuddle at ka-tickle, char. And for those nga nag-modular classes o nag-work from home, this place really gives you the sense of concentration and tranquility because all you will hear is the sound of the birds chirping and the gentle breeze of the wind. You can pause and concentrate. You can also enjoy and listen to your favorite music. You can dance with a groove and your whole body's moving, doing your workout. You will be renewed holistically together with Mother Nature. So mga kabuyog, ang inyo yung Big B nagdala og microphone. Kaya hilig ba akita kanta-kanta. I hope nga dili taon og balik ani. I love to listen and sing popular music, especially the songs of Selena Gomez, my favorite artist. I love you like a love song, baby, and I can repeat and repeat, 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 repeat. Yeah. So, nahuman nagkanta ang inyong Big B. So, lakaw-lakaw na punta, magamay sa tiyan. I really love to pick lilies as well as wildflowers diri sa kasagutan. And pwede po na to siyang imuon nga ornament. Punta na to sa dunggan. Char! Gwapa na kita. Ha ha ha. And this is a day in my life and see you in my next video.